खुलुमबायखा joto takhuk te bukhuk songno nongni bagui kaisa job notification okhormani omongkha Sikkim University a central university hinjago omongkha borokni web page o video ni description box o ang web page ni link nongno ririnai norok all link o thangai o web page o direct naimanai o web page ni tolao thangai naidi kaisa latest notification ni tongnai o jaga no kaisa tongo advertisement non teaching recruitment 2020 nai omono click khaidi click khaimani ulo nukjangnai kaisa angka appointment noticed boni logi kwbangma tongo notification jemon important dates o job ni bagai last date engkha 15 April 2020 tai norok o job no apply khainani hingke photo signature scan khainani nangnai size engna nangnai below 500 KB JPEG file engna nangnai tai joto no documents PDF file thi khaikai belaino janai tai o job ni bagui norok apply khainani hingke oro norok nungnai click here to apply norok online application khainani hingke norok page o ma thangnai naiti oro pulano post tongo deputy register aboni ulo laboratory attendant technical assistant lower division clerk laboratory assistant norok je kuno oroni post no jodi eligible tongkhanke norok oro view details thangai naidi tai norok oro login khai o job no apply khaimanai taisa ang o page ni hoite back o thangnai thangai nongno kaisa je tongmani je sobche pulano rijak appointment noticed o jaga nongni je eligible criteria joto rijak tongo o no khulukano naimanai naidero a non teaching position ni bagai omo no wngkha o PDF file je ang appointment notice ni download khaimani pore o PDF file norno nukjangnai o jaga naidi swijak non teaching position pulano post tongo deputy register ni salary ngai 78,800 to 2,09,200 tai omni pay matrix as per 7th CPC level ngai 1 of level 12 tai o post ni group ungkha A tai number of post onai kaisa no you are ni bagai second ungkha technical assistant boni salary ungkha 29,200 to 92,300 the level ungkha 1 of level 5 group C number of post kaini no you are ni bagai tai third ungkha laboratory assistant salary ngai 25,500 to 81,100 the level ungkha 1 of level 4 group C kaisa no post you are ni bagai apre number 4 tongo lower division clerk salary ungkha 19,900 to 63,200 level ungkha 1 of level 2 group C number of post tongo 4 3 for UR and 1 for ST tai number 5th last ungkha laboratory attendant salary ungkha 18,000 to 56,900 level ungkha 1 of level 1 group C number of posts 3 UR ni bagai omonongkha boni je position salary tai boni bagai tamo eligibility ba qualification nang ba experience nang oro rijak tongo jemon swijak deputy registrar ni bagai master degree with at least 55% of the marks or an equivalent grade in a point scale the experience tono nangnai 9 years of experience as assistant professor in the academic level 10 and above with experience in educational administration or comparable experience in research establishment and or other institution of higher education. Ba 5 years of administrative experience as assistant registrar or in equivalent post. Post ni bagai o nangkukmani qualification by experience nangnai norok ekbar check khaina di tai age limit omani 50 years ni above ongmaya tai jara ST ron bagai relaxation tongo as per government India rules. Second angka technical assistant laboratory bagai qualification nangnai master degree in any science subject or bachelor degree in science with 3 years experience in a university, college, research institute in handling laboratory. Tai boni bagi age nangnai between 18 to 27 years. Tai STS in bagi to tongo relaxation as per government India rules. Number 3 laboratory assistant boni bagi qualification nangnai bachelor degree in science or other relevant field from a recognized institute and university. Ba diploma fanongo in engineering polytechnic tai haikeba ITI TED certificate possessing class 10 standard with 5 years of work experience in relevant field. Tai boni bagai bo age na nangnai 18 to 27 tai relaxation ST ni bagai SC ni bagai OBC ni bagai as per government of India rules. Number 4 tongo lower division clerk qualification nangnai class 12 standard from a recognized board university. Typing speed tono nangnai for 40 WPM English or 35 WPM in Hindi or computer. The working knowledge of word processing spreadsheet computer application tona nangnai. Tai boni bagai haikeba jara bachelor degree borok fana opposite bagai apply khaimano. Boni bagai bo same age tona nangnai 18 to 27 relaxation STS UBC PWD as per government of India rules. Number 5 tongo laboratory attendant boni bagai qualification nangnai class 10 standard with science as one of the subjects. Haike 12 pass tongkai ongo tai boni bagai age nangnai 18 to 27 then relaxation as per government of India rules STS ron bagai omon hongkha je qualification nangmani o post roni bagai tai o jaga norok online apply khaina thanga angke kaisa application fee jomar nangnai general and OBC ni bagai group A ngai 1000 group B ni bagai 500 tai group C ni bagai 300 tai ST SC PWD women ni bagai nil mane free kono fees nangya to asungno omani bagai o video ni bagai ba o job ni bagai asungno norok ekbar o website thangnai di joto kisu norok hamke naikungmanai ba naimanai asungno belekino hambai o video no naimani bagai jotono kaham tongbai di khulumbai kya bye bye.